They said a ladder fell on it. So I have this quarter panel all fit up. I have a Ford Escape here. This one, I believe they said a ladder fell on it and smashed it. Must have been a heavy ladder. It's smashed all throughout this area. Has a big hole in it right here. So this one's gonna get a new quarter panel, which I have right here. And it gets sectioned in right in this area, then down at the bottom. They make procedures for that to avoid putting this top piece in, because this goes underneath the roof skin, so you'd have to take off the roof in order to put the top in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this quarter panel off, then I will start fitting my new panel up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sit this quarter panel on, and I cut the car a little short so it overlaps. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scribe my cut line. Then I'll be able to lift this panel back off and I'll be able to trim that out and I'll have a perfect cut. So I have this quarter panel all fit up. My gaps all look nice and even. Doors nice and even. So this one's ready to go on permanently. I have to lift it back off first because it gets some panel bond adhesive through here, and I weld straight through that adhesive. And I also have to put some sealer and a few other spots. So I'll lift this back off and I will get this put on permanently. So in order to make sure that I get this put back in the exact same position I have right now, I put some sheet metal screws in different spots all the way around. Whenever I put this back on, I'll put all those sheet metal screws in, and that'll put it in the exact same location I have it sitting right now. I have this one all ready for primer. I'm gonna actually send this one over to our paint department. They have a little extra time today, so I'm gonna let them prime this up. Then I'll come back and block all my areas after the primer's dry, and this one will be ready to paint.